Baby shark, happy Children's Day, baby shark, baby shark. Thank you, man. Definitely, I will get good name to you. Love you, man. Being as you are kid, I wish all your dreams come true, my little baby shark. Happy Children's Day, my dear sweet baby. Thank you, ma. I learned so many good habits from you, like brushing teeth, eat well, study well, play well, and sleep well. Love you, ma, being as you are kid. Happy Children's Day, my dear sweet baby. Thank you, ma. You taught me how to be confident, courageous, and always to be happy. Love you, ma, being as you are kid. Happy Children's Day, my dear sweet baby. Thank you, ma. I learned so many things from you, like how to behave with my friends and make good communication with my friends. Happy Children's Day, my dear sweet baby. Thank you, ma. I learned so many things from you, like always think positive and how to adopt good lifestyle. Happy Children's Day, my dear sweet baby. Thank you, ma. I learned so many things from you, like reading books at bedtime. Happy Children's Day, my dear sweet baby. Thank you, ma. I learned so many things from you, like donating my books to poor kids after my studies completion. Love you, ma, being as you are kid. Happy Children's Day, happy Children's Day, happy Children's Day to all of you.